video. So this video is going to be really quick. I'm just going to do a small tutorial on how to do a loose braid in your hair. A lot of people don't know how to braid, so they say they can either braid other people's hair, but they can't braid their own. So stay tuned, excuse me, and watch this video and you'll learn how to do it by the end of the video. So I'm just going to do like 1 or 2 braids just to show you how to get started. So I'm just going to take a piece out here. So the important things to start with a regular braid is to divide it evenly by 3. Now you can just use your own measurement in your head to see if it's even. And even if it's not even and one side is smaller than the other, when you go down to the bottom, you can always transfer from another piece of hair. That's the reason why you want it to be even, so you won't have to transfer, so it could be one smooth braid. But if one of these is smaller than the other and you have the transfer, then you can see the difference at the bottom. It either twists a different direction, or it just it's not the same braid style as it is the rest. So separate it by 3. So I'm going to grab, if you can see, I have my hair under my ring finger. I have my pinchers on the middle one right here, and I have the other one under my ring finger. So what I'm going to do is, the most important thing you want to do is that when you're braiding, this is the middle right here. So you always bring in the hair in the middle from left and right. So I'm going to start on my left. And when I bring this hair over, I'm going to grab the middle with my pincher. So I'm always grabbing the middle with my pincher fingers. So I'm grabbing, and I'm going to grab this, throw that in the middle, grab this under my ring finger, pinch this in the middle. I'm going to bring this in the middle, grab it. And now the middle, which is this one, this was in the middle, is now on this side. So now I'm going to grab the left side, put it in the middle, the right side. It's on top, but I'm going to put it in the middle, right here. It's in the middle. Grab this side, pull it to the middle, and this side. It's up top, but I'm going to bring it down to the middle when I cross this over. So you always bringing a piece of hair from the left to the middle or the right to the middle. And I can do it slower just so you can see. Just like that. And then you go down. It has a nice, beautiful braid. Now, I've said in my other videos that if you want a tight definition, then you braid your hair, but don't pull down when you braid. Stay in one place and let the braid move your hands down. If you want a tight braid like this. If you want a loose braid, then relax your fingers, bring your hands closer to the ends, and then don't pull so hard. Just grab lightly and braid. And then that would be, and then your hands, you're pulling your hands down instead of the braid actually guiding you down. And if you can see the difference, this is the loose braid at the bottom, and this is more tight at the top. Either way, it looks good. I prefer the tighter braid up top because the definition makes the hair protective style look so much better. So I'm just going to do a tight braid at the bottom. And then you can totally see that. So it's tight here, loose here, and then tight again here. So, and then there's your braid. Look at can actually wear this as my style for today. I'll put it behind my headband. Cute. Okay, so today is week 3. Just to move forward, I'm doing a rice water test. So tomorrow will be week 3. Week 4. Yes, week 4. So tomorrow will be week 4, and then next week I'm going to do another video and tell you, does rice water really grow natural hair? I mean, I've heard so many rumors about it, and I've seen so many countless YouTube videos, and I've read a lot of articles, and I've seen the pictures of the growth, but really work on my hair. So we'll find out next week when I post the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe my video. Push the notification buttons, that way you know when I upload a new video. Until then, I see you next time. Bye.